Ladies and gentlemen, let us remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem. Bearing the flags are the players who have shown us courage and leadership on and off the court. More than valuable players, their hearts and their spirit embody all that is good about the PBA. They have chased their PBA dreams, and through talent, hard work, sheer will, and desire, they have made it come true. They are now here to share that dream with all of us. Let us all welcome the reigning MVP, Kelly Williams of the Santa Lucia Realtors, with Arvin Gutierrez, along with 2006 MVP James Yap of the Purefoods TJ Giants with Baby James, and 2007 MVP Willie Miller of the Alaska Aces with Gray Miller. Ladies and gentlemen, to lead us in singing the Philippine National Anthem is a young lady with a dream to be among the best performers in the world, who had the will to set up on that world stage. She now opens her heart and shares her gift of song to all of us. A singer na sariling atin, the grand champion of the World Championships of the Performing Arts, Miss Catherine Loria, along with the Las Piñas Boys Choir.
Bayang magiliw, belas ng sinanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y bukay, lupang hinira, tulad ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulupi, di ka masisihil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong mukha, may hilakang tula at awit sa pagnayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na naglilingin, ang bituin na araw niya kailan pang may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw ng luwal, hating pagsinta, buhay na langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng may mag-aampi, ang mamatayan dahil sa'yo.
You may now be seated.